In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch opponent in Monopoly Go. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device and sign in into your account. Now go ahead and roll your dice to be able to land into any of this train station on your board. So this might take a while since landing into a train station on the board might take a while for me to get done. So let's fast forward this portion. And now that we're about to land to the train station, we can now go ahead and shut down landmarks of our opponent. So to be able to switch opponent, just go ahead and click on that switch opponent button at the bottom of your screen, and you can simply select from any of these users that recently attack your landmark, and also go ahead and select random player. You can also select your friends if you want to. Now go ahead and select a user that you want be an opponent and put on that landmark that you want to ruin for that user. And that is how you can simply switch opponents in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.